Hi, Red Sweet Potato here. And ngayong araw, ito yung unang beses namin matatry yung AX180 of Bristol Motorcycle. And about the scooter, sobrang aggressive. Given na sports type scooter siya, medyo yung feels niya parang yung iba kong motorcycle na sports type scooter din. Pero this one, mas malaki yung makina, given na 180. Dito kami sa Infanta, Jariel's Peak Restaurant. And we had good food, syempre good place, and napakalamig nung panahon.
Hi everyone, this is Mama Nikis, and once again we're back in the road together with Bristol Elite. Today, we were able to ride the AX180. Na-try natin yung bike kanina dito sa Marilake, ang favorite nating bankingan spot. Hindi lang talaga nakasama yung panahon ngayon mga padi kasi medyo maulan, halos zero visibility kanina yung dinadaanan namin dun sa packet ng Marilake.
So this is our last stop for today here at Sinag Cafe. It's been a sweet but short ride. Good enough naman, ano? We were able to try the AX180 and nakakatuwa. Sobrang dami ding tumitingin sa motor. Namamangha sila na it's already 180cc. O nga naman, di mo na kailangan mag-bore up, ano?
And ayun, maraming salamat sa Bristol Motorcycle for this experience. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa mga AX180 na bagong motor.
And I'm looking forward for another adventure like this with the group. Yun lang, sana sa susunod ulit.
So see you sa mga susunod pang ride. Watch out the pages of Bristol Motorcycles para sa mga susunod pa nating adventure. So this is Ride si Daniela, proud Bristol Elite member. Thank you and ride safe.